how to make a UGC portfolio using Canva. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I hope you have got to know that what I'm going to show you. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit canva.com here and you have to sign into Canva. Don't worry, it is absolutely free to sign into Canva, so you will not charge anything. So after coming to this side, here you can see this create option. You can simply tap over to create option, and then you have to search up for that what you would like to create with Canva. And here are some options available. For example, if you want to create a sheet, then you can tap onto it. If you want to create social media posts, you can tap onto this social media. So everything is very easy. You just have to choose the template that you want to use. Also, you can just tap onto these templates and use them. Like these ones are the one that are get started from the very beginning, like you create these templates from scratch, but there are some available on Canva previously that you can use them according to your need. Like you can just choose the one that you like to. But there's one thing that here you can see this little crown icon over here, so that means that these ones are the premium ones. So if you want to use them, for example also this one, you must have to have a Canva Pro account. So without that you cannot use them. But do not worry, Canva also offers a bunch of free templates like this. Here you can see, you just can use them instead. And if you really want to use this premium version templates, you can buy them by the Canva premium, or you can just make one for yourself from starting from blank pages. So you just have to search up for website to create a UGC website or portfolio. Then here you can see this websites option. Here are a lot of websites available, including both free and the paid ones. Here you can see these ones are free, which don't have any crown icon at their interface, but these ones have little crown icon which is saying Pro. That means if you wish to use them, you have to buy the Canva premium option. So for today's video, I'm gonna use a free one. For example, I'm gonna use this one over here. So you just have to tap onto the template that you wish to use. Also, you can tap on to create a blank website if you want to start from the scratch. So after tapping onto the template that you want to use, then you have to tap on to customize this template. After tapping on customize this template, you can edit every single thing from here depending on your preference. For example, you can change the background image, you can change this image from here, you can change the text. So let me show you. Firstly, let's add some animations to over this page. Okay, this book page here. So you just have to choose it, then tap onto animate. Then here you can tap onto shake, zoom, whip, slide that you wish to add. But for me, I would like to add brush. Okay, you can just add brush easily and then you're good to go. So now let's say you want to edit this text, then you have to choose this text from here. Wait, before editing this text, let's go over here and let's edit this image. So for now I do not want to add this image, I would like to change it. Then simply tap on to delete, then tap on to delete image. Also you can tap on to delete grid, so that image will be deleted. Now you can also delete the image if you wish to. Basically, okay, let me unlock it. And there we go, the frame is here. So let me show you how you can also bring this frame over here. You just have to tap onto elements, then over here you have to search for a frame, like what type of frame do you want. For example, I want a square frame right now. Then you can search it over here, and then here you can see there are a bunch of templates available, a lot of templates. You just have to choose one that you wish to add, then you can just bring it over here. But for now this one is perfect. I'm just gonna add an image from here. You have to tap onto this upload section, and from there you just have to simply upload an image that you wish to add. You can also tap onto this upload files. You can, let me just choose an image. For example, I would like to add this image right now, so let me delete this image and let me add this over here. So this looks absolutely perfect and it's turning. Now let's say you want to add some elements from here. Like if you wish to, you can add some extra animation. So I'm gonna search up for animation, and then I'm gonna So I'm gonna search up for animation car. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap onto graphics. I'm gonna use a free one. Okay, let's use a photo. So okay, this one looks nice. I'm not gonna add it over here. I'm gonna send it to back, like send backward, and then I'm gonna keep it or place it perfectly over here. Now let me make this, change the color to yellow. Okay, let's change it to white, because white looks perfect. So this is how you can change the color. Let me show you again. You have to choose the color, then from here you have to choose onto this a text color, and from there you can very easily change the color. Now let me change the font too. You can change the font over from here. You just have to choose the font that you wish to add, then you're good to go. Now you can also increase the size of the text. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this is how you can customize everything. You can create you can add more pages from here. Simply tap onto add pages, and there we go, you're good to go. You can change the background color if you wish to, or you can just use this black color over here, and you can also use some gradient colors like this if you wish to, and then just add everything. You can choose to use these tools from here. These ones are for basically for drawing. As you can see, these ones are basically for drawing. You can just use them like this. You can draw anything that you wish to, and then you're good to go. Now here you can see these apps options. From here you can use some magic apps. From here you can use AI voice. You can tap onto photos, and then you can add some photos over here, but also you can use this magic media to generate AI. So this is a new feature of Canva, and this is absolutely a good one. You can use generate AI images for of aesthetic gradient colored book. So now let's tap on to generate image. You can also choose the style from here, and then you can choose the ratio of it, and then you can go back, tap on to generate image, and then you can easily generate image. So this is how you can design a UGC portfolio for your website very easily. And after choosing everything or customizing everything, you just have to choose one. So let me choose this one. This one looks pretty nice. Let me make it half of it here, and let's add this ones over here. So that's perfect. Now you just have to edit it. Now you can tap on to publish to website, and after tapping on to publish website, you have to enter the website URL from here. Also you can use a custom domain. Just tap on to use a custom domain, and then you have to you can bring your own domain. You can buy a new one. You can claim a free Canva domain according to your need. You have to enter the name, and then you can claim free domain very easily. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video, and let me know that what type of video you want to see in the future.